By default, the program will remember the starting program coordinates, and it will move back to the starting point once the play button is pressed. In order to mitigate this, there are two ways. First of all, let's say you've moved some fair distance away. You can reset these coordinates, move back to the start of the program, press play, and then the program will start from the 0 point. Second of all, if we show the table, let's say you want to move to some location on the table. Let's say right here. You can press the tie toolpath to current position button. Go back to the start of the program and press play.